So now that we kidnapped Bagi, what happens next? It's quite simple, Ron. Noko Shigami's lab assistant, Steve, will be dissecting her. But James, isn't that kinda harsh? Murdering an innocent animal? No, she's not at all, dumbass. She's one of the animals that escaped the Super Life Center. Well, Bagi, you have no Rio with you. There's no escape for you now this time. I have more than just Rio on my side. Oh, really? Well, if that's so, no wasting time here. I'm about to dissect you, Bagi, and what are you gonna do to stop me? What the... Well, Slith, I'm glad that you're okay, and that Dr. Muti, or whatever he's called, didn't actually dissect or murder you. That's a good question, actually.